All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So alarm, alarm, alarm. Let's try and get a picture. Alarm. Here we are. Alarm. Maybe an alarm clock. There we are. Very good. Alarm. So making people aware of something, or even danger. Danger. Let's try and get a picture of danger. Danger. Yeah, there we are. Yeah, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Danger. Yes, exactly. So I raised the alarm and told everyone. Yes. Quick. 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 Turn on the alarm. I have an alarm set for tomorrow morning. Yeah, so I can wake up early. An alarm. Yeah, we need an alarm for this time. We need an alarm for this time. We need. They built a new alarm system where they're all connected together. Yeah. He thought the alarm would have been loud enough. He thought the alarm would have been loud enough. Yeah. She wanted a quiet alarm. Quiet alarm. Shh. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. I set off the alarm. Yeah. When we pressed that button, we set off the alarm by accident. Yeah. By accident. Yeah. She set an alarm last night. So we managed to wake up early. Wake up early because of the alarm. Yeah, because of the alarm, I got up early. Makes sense. The alarm is making noise now. Yeah. Why is the alarm on? What happened? It's on, making noise. Making noise. So, what happened? In around 10 minutes, the alarm will wake up. Wake up. Oh, the alarm to wake up will go off. Okay. So in around 10 minutes, I will have another alarm. It will go off suddenly. Suddenly. Easily. Quickly. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so alarm. Making people aware. Let's try and get a picture. Aware. Here we are. Aware of things. Aware. Yeah. How cool is that? Of things. Something or danger. So, can you use alarm in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram by searching for English with Adrian. And on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.